electric one. And it is going to be leaving the station in a couple of minutes because it's only just arrived. As soon as I just started to talk in the video, it only just pulled up into the station. Today is the 11th of November, and I've got a rhyme as well called Guys. Remember the 11th of November, and this song is it goes like this. Remember the 11th of November. It is Remembrance Day, and also the 5th one. Remember the 5th of November because it is bonfire night. Let's leave from the station now. What time is it?
3:30.
And
We've got one more train to see in 10 minutes. 3:40. On the other side. Heading Nottingham.
okay. Well, guys, there's going to be the Castlegate train coming in very, very soon. I'm just having. Wait, Daddy, keep back. High speed train passing. There's a high speed train passing through. Look, Daddy! That's very unusual. Guys, I remember last time I went here, that train was actually on that side. Daddy, remember? That train was on that side. Yeah. And the next train, platform 3, so we need to get onto this side. Guys, my favourite part, seeing Castlegate train. Look, lots of people waiting for the train. Daddy, are you going to put these on YouTube?
Pardon?
I'm going to put these on YouTube.
Taking it out.
What? What? I beg your pardon?
Come this way.
What? Why?
Never done it before.
Because it's just 2 in 1 day. We need to... Wait, Daddy. I think we need to reverse back. No, we need to go that side.
It's full that side, the platform's full. Come up this way.
Oh, why? Really?
It's only one carriage, isn't it?
No. No, it's either 1 or 2. It's 1 or 2.
Oh, right.
It's 1 or 2 coaches. Daddy, do you know, can we wait for that one? Because
No.
look, there's double.
We'll see when it comes because we're already over time.
Well, I'm not going to answer it because I've got the phone in my hand.
Daddy will answer. Just keep still, okay? I don't want to walk around with it. Keep out of the water, the puddles.
Really, Daddy? Ow! Look what you've done. You did?
You're the one that's moving around, not me.
That's much better. Oh. Train's coming. Guys, here comes here comes the Castlegate train, guys. Ah. I'm not joking. It definitely comes because here it comes, guys. And I can't see the number, but I'm definitely sure it has a number. Lots of people are stampeding. Wait, Daddy, wait. I've seen, I think I've seen this. 15 8302, and it's reversing back. Three coaches! Daddy, it's three coaches, look. 1, 2, 3. Now we know it's either 1, 2 or 3. But I think this is the maximum one you can get on the other line.
Oh, I
Can we move over there now?
see. Wait till people get off.
Can we move now? No, I want to see it. I want to see it the other up there. I think it's coming in 10 minutes, that one. I heard them say. Can we wait for 10 minutes?
If you don't do it properly, you'll end up not being able to come next time. Won't you?
Guys, you can see yellow lights up there. And it says Nottingham. Oh, I got my shoe wet now. Daddy, it's leaving, I think. I don't think it is now. No, it isn't. I wanted to come up here so I could wave. What does that say? Access available toilet.
Accessible, so yeah, you need a special key. So it's disabled toilet, so you've got to be a wheelchair.
Why?
So it'll be a specially designed toilet.
Guys, it's 3 coaches. And this one is the 50 unit 6 It says on the front 1564.
That's standing platform 3 is
Well, what's that number?
Castle Loudham and Nottingham.
56 standing form.
Platform 3
That's it.
1514.
Wave.
Midland State Service to Newcastle Loudham and Nottingham.
Last one train dealt with them. Yeah. Shall we see the 10-minute one? How long did that take? Oh, look up there, it's double yellow. Look, people are waiting.
Yeah, I know. Visible.
So shall we wait for a minute until the train comes in? It's coming in. It's coming in from south. It's heading for north. Right.
Well, we must go after this today.
Okay.
You won't go out next week.
Well,
Because you're already over time.
I think I'm sure, Daddy. It's either it doesn't say up there any special notes, so it's no more. Daddy, do you know the next train here? That's why that yellow light is up, so it could a high-speed train could be approaching any time. Oh, that train's stopped up there, Daddy.
Oh, right.
I know why, because that train's on that line, and I don't know if there's a point that changes into that line, and it's got to change into that line, because there's a curve that goes into that line, so I think it's waiting for this train to go up the line. Oh, I know what it may be waiting for, because a train's gonna come through. Yeah, it's definitely waiting. It's definitely waiting.
I think it did last time, didn't it?
Yeah, because it was a high-speed train, or either a train stopping on this side. Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember. There was a train stopping on that side. Or was it this side? I definitely think it was that side. When I went here once. When? Definitely it's approaching, I definitely know. Because look, all those people are there. It's approaching any second. Only if it would hurry up. Daddy, why couldn't a train come really zoom into here and then stop really quick? Could it happen?
No, because the weight of the train, the speed, its brakes wouldn't be powerful enough. That's why planes, when they land, take a little bit of a distance to stop.
Because they come really
Wait,
fast.
yeah. So they can't stop. It's just a physical impossibility.
Depends how fast they're going, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, well. I can't see anything. Daddy! I saw that. There's a point that goes into that line. But when is this train approaching? I can see the bridge that we normally... Yeah, I can see the bridge that we normally stand at to see some trains sometimes. That's the old bridge we used to See, but now we come to Northgate to see it. Has the 10 minutes gone yet? Due? Can we get some chairs? Don't worry, darling, keep your pants on. Do you like doing train time? Do you like doing train time, Daddy? Here it comes. Guys, here it comes, the last train. It's reversing in. Very special decoration on it, hasn't it? Oh, my leg's aching from being here all this time. I really just like this. I don't want to cross the bridge because it stops. It'll probably take us a minute to walk over that bridge, and then it'll probably left by then.
Yes, that's true.
So it's rather waiting here than crossing the bridge. What does the first whistle mean? Doors are closing.
Yeah.
And then the second whistle means ready to go. It's safe to go now. It's leaving. Guys, it's leaving, I think. Yeah, it's leaving. The doors are closing now. Doors are closing now. There will be another whistle now. It's leaving now. Guys, it's leaving. Last train. Daddy, the Castlegate train's left now. And here it goes. The last time I've been here, I was basically like here. My head was basically like there, where my nose is now. Right there, where my head is. But I've grown a little taller. I was there last time. And I was like that. Now I'm like this. Right, I'm just...
Go. We're going now.
Now, I'm just seeing it if it can go up the line. I'm letting the guy see go up the line. Now. Still can see it on the camera. Yeah, I can still see it on the camera. Still on the camera, still on the camera, still on the camera. Still on the camera, still on the camera, still is. It's almost going out of sight. And it's, oh, site. See you in the next episode, guys. Bye.